So, welcome on, guys. This is Dr. Joakim. Today, I'll be teaching on some of the signs that we have on about the driving that we must get on the exams. So, under the signs, we have what we call the classes of signs. The class of signs, they are three. We have the class A signs, the regulatory sign. We have the class B signs, the warning signs. Then we have the class C, the informatory signs. So guys, just run to the YouTube. You get to see Instructor Joakim. Then subscribe, like, and share to your friends. So about the classes we're having, this here is what we're calling the class C signs. We call them the informatory signs. All those are what you're calling the informatory signs. They only give information and they don't give direction. They only give information only. Then here now we have what you're calling the class A signs and class B signs. The class A signs, we have said that we call them the regulatory signs, or the regulatory signs. Then under these regulatory signs, so under these regulatory signs, from this end where we have the stop to this point, this one, all, these we call them the regulatory signs. They are under class A, but they are divided into different categories. So we have this stop and this giveaway. Those two, we are the major signs in Kenya. Here are the two major signs in Kenya. These blue ones, we call them the compulsory stroke mandatory sign. The compulsory stroke mandatory signs. We also get this one. Under this, the compulsory sign is where we get to see the traffic police. Then under this end, these all are what we're calling the prohibitory signs, which they are red in color, circular in shape. Those all are what we're calling the prohibitory signs. Then here now at the start, we have what we're calling the warning signs. These warning signs, they are in triangular with the apex facing upward. So today I want us to look on these warning signs, all from this point to this point. These are what we're calling the warning signs. Remember that a stop is not a warning sign, but is a priority sign, stroke a major sign. So I want us to know more about them. So this number one here, W1, this one is a sharp bend to the left ahead, sharp bend to the left ahead. You can see the bend is bending towards the left. So then this one here is a sharp bend to the right ahead, sharp bend to the right ahead. This one is a successive bend to the right, to the left ahead, to the left ahead. This one successive bend to the left, to the right, to the right ahead. This one is a steep descent. You can see our vehicle for this case is going down a hill. This one is a steep descent ahead. This one is a steep ascent ahead. This one, road narrows from both sides ahead. Road narrows from both sides ahead. This one, road narrows from the right side ahead. This one is a road narrows from the left side ahead. This one is a riverbank without a barrier ahead or a queue side. This one is an even road service ahead. This one is a severe bump ahead. This one is a severe dip ahead. This one is a river bend crossing ahead. This one is a slippery road ahead. This one here is a slippery road ahead. This one here is a loose road service ahead. This one is a danger of falling and foreign rocks ahead. This one is a pedestrian crossing ahead. This one is a children crossing ahead. This one is a cyclist crossing ahead. This one is a cattle crossing ahead. This one is a wild animal crossing ahead. This one are roadworks ahead. This one are traffic light signals ahead. This one are low flying aircrafts ahead. This one is a two-way traffic ahead. This one is a hazard ahead. This one is a junction ahead. This one is a two minor road joining a major road from both sides ahead. This one is a one minor joining a major road from the right side ahead. This one we call it acceleration lane joining a major road from the right side ahead. This one we call it a roundabout ahead. This one is a rail crossing with barrier ahead. This one is a rail crossing without barrier ahead. So all these ones are what we are calling the warning signs. Those are the warning signs we have on the board.